Hey guys,
Yeah.
since we didn't use the kayak today, we are heading to Baldy Mountain, which is my principal's head. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? It's not that funny.
It's so funny. I'm gonna talk to your principal.
No! Since we didn't use the kayak today, we are heading to Baldy Mountain, which is my principal's head. What's the principal's head?
Buti.
Oh, I know it.
Huh?
Baldy.
I'm gonna talk to your principal.
That's my old principal. You cannot talk to him anymore.
But I have his.
Too slow.
I still have his number.
Don't do it. Don't tell my principal. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't
Where are
do
we
it.
going?
Baldy Mountain, my
And-
principal's head.
So are you ready
Yes,
to go to where?
my principal's head.
Patay na ka tayo, principal. Let's go. Ha?
Suway kayo siya.
Gani.
Principal sa job ka.
Kuya, bataan na eh.
Don't tell my principal.
What?
Don't tell him.
No, I'm just gonna talk to him. I'm gonna tell him, you know what? We went to your head last summer.
I went to your head last summer.
Ano?
Bibay! I know what you did last summer. Parang ganun.
How about he's gonna be still there and then he's gonna ask you, hey B-boy, where did you go last summer?
Yeah.
I went to your head.
Let's go to principal's head. Let's go.
Boy, are you excited
Yes,
to go where?
principal's head.
What?
What?
Principal's head. Why are you guys always making me say principal's head?
You're gonna be in trouble next school year. No.
Can you not make me say
Kailan to
that
ka minutes?
again?
20 minutes,
You
diba?
guys already understand.
Ay, nag-fishing ni sila diri no. Kanina pa man ni sila, di ba? Ah, dito pa dulong ang Charles Lake. Ato dito ugma.
The child's lake?
Mm.
Yeah.
But for now, we're gonna go to Baldy Mountain. Yee!
I'm guessing we're gonna go to Shiny Mountain next.
Why? Shiny.
Because now we're going to Baldy.
Yes, and both make shine.
How about Hairy Mountain maybe? Next time, Hairy Mountain.
Yeah.
Where's that?
And then next is bald spot and hair spot.
Subuya yun ba? Iwat yung ganyan sa imo hangit ba?
What kasi mo
Wait,
bubo?
Boy,
Yes.
asa ka naliwat?
Can you speak to me in English?
Where did you get your very kind attitude? Kind and sweet attitude.
First is Mama, second is Papa.
Oh no, first pa jud ako. What?
So mama is kind and
Mama
papa sweet?
was kind before, and now you were sweet now.
Oh.
My mother's still actually kind, but you just started being sweet now.
Mm-hmm.
Ay, unsa to ingon nimo sa kuha na mas gusto nimo ko kay soft and papa is unsa si papa?
Pogi.
Hard.
Hard daw ka pa. Ingon niya
Oh,
pa.
papa is pogi. Yes sir. Padulong ta karon to Baldy Mountain mga boss. O gingon daw nila mao daw ni ang pinaka highest elevation diri sa Manitoba. This is our first time nga wato dito since na may diri sa Duck Mountain. Tanaw na to kung sa plastada dito. Boy, are you excited?
Yes. Let's go to my principal's mountain.
Magara jud ba?
Ay, Adrina, bumali. Dito yung mapalik ko.
No, yeah, I think.
Dito tapos. Oh, tara, oh.
Yeah.
So So, diri na ta mga boss.
Let's hit
Ako
the
na Jud ni.
road together. Chasing sunsets on the highway, sing songs beneath the stars. Every town becomes a memory, no matter where we are. Writing stories as we wander, turning moments into gold. Hand in hand we'll keep discovering new chapters to unfold. Let's hit the road together, just you and me forever. No need to know where we're going. Hearts are open, winds are blowing side by side through any weather. Let's hit the road together. Maybe we'll get lost sometimes, but with you, that's just fine. Every wrong turn is a part of this journey we call life.
Ayan o. May lang kay doon lang. Marag na aksyon na biya ako kabalaka. Kaya mura pa subida. Diri na ta mga boss. May lang kay dili kay siya layo. Kaya marag na huwag na aksyon ako kabalaka kay subidahon ba. Basig mahot dan ta gasolina.
Gani.
Napoy ko andra oh. Andra. Wala tingnan na tao no. Wala ano.
Unsa?
Marag ano lang siya tower lang.
Asa naman ang atong bata ani?
Ay ay ay.
Hala.
Kasabaan dyan sa principal ning.
Hala, nak masab ano?
Mukha
Boy, nanata sa principal boy.
How sabi? Hey boy. Hey, we're here na to your principal's office. Let's go na. Are you tired? Huh?
I just want signal.
Oh, signal. Mamaya we're gonna go back to the lake where you can find the signal. Come on. Let's go na. Ito na. Whoops. Hmm?
So we're here.
Let's go ate. Boy, you can go to ate's door na lang. Come on. There you go. Nasa what's na open fires. Open fires prohibited.
Yeah.
Mag-washroom siya ta mga boss. Huwag na ilang washroom dali oh. Hindi na makaya. May lang kung abrin. Ay bongga. Social. Kaman to? Hmm?
Hindi na ako kay B-boy ba? Anong balde na lang tawag ani? Unsa gyud mga explanation?
I think a bold person created this mountain.
That's why. Balde.
Yes.
Oh, I think the mountain itself is bald. Come on. There. We're gonna go up there. And
If it's
we'll
bald-
see. What does it say?
Baldy Mountain Viewing Tower and Hiking Trail.
Mhm.
Returns distance. Hiking trail 3 kilometers. Allow 2 hours. Ranger cabin and stable 1.6 kilometers. Allow 30
Mauni siyang
minutes.
ito. Ari mo ito. Kani.
Ay,
Sa babaw. So nata dire.
Yeah.
Huh? Bongga.
this footage was made in 1906.
1906?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you're
It's
right.
close. It's close. It's under the oldest person in the world's birth month. I mean birth year.
Really? Now, come
You
on.
know.
Come on, let's go up there. We'll see. I'm
Nasa mountain na ta.
Yeah.
What is this trail?
No, it's not a trail. Come on.
What is that?
So, kain ko lang ni diri ata.
Hmm?
Ani,
Ikaw na ikon daw basado daw.
home away from home, ah. I don't know. Built in this is the third and most recent residence built on Baldy Mountain for employees working in the forest during summer. It is home to those who is fire lookout. And fire lookout.
Oo.
Wow. Motivation.
Sa mga wildfire,
Oh.
dili sila dili sila magstay.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Ganun di ay.
Buhat ni siya para sa mga wildfire. Ari.
There you go. Ay, anak lang di ay.
Yeah.
Siya. Ah, itong tower. Baldy Tower is one of the fundamental principles of firefighting.
Guys.
Is early detection since fires are easiest
Guys.
to suppress when they are small in size. From the earliest and value of forest lookout towers to identify fire location. Oh, kuan gapon doon. Magsaka dai pud ka dito oh.
Okay
Diba?
na. Okay na ilang sakaanan dito kay para tanaw nila kung naay mga wildfire.
Ba, abi na kung kuan lang to siya,
Oh.
tower lang
How
like
high?
signal. Sa kaanan siya.
Yes.
How high?
Ayo.
Again, moving from.
Compare the elevations above sea level of the following places to Baldy Mountain's elevation.
Mhm.
It sits on Duck Mountain, and ducks are bald.
Well, mountain is a one.
Baldy Mountain is Manitoba's highest point of elevation at 830 meters,
Yeah, it's the highest mountain.
2,737 feet above sea level. It sits on Duck Mountain.
I think I know the reason why it sits on Duck Mountain.
What?
Do you
What's
know
that?
that when you look at a duck and you look at their forehead,
Uh-huh.
it's bald?
Mm.
And this mountain is called Baldy Mountain.
Oh, there you go.
So, like,
So since we're here now, you wanna go up there?
yes,
Huh?
yes.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Yo, you go first.
Go now.
Go na.
Wait, look up
Let's go, ate.
there.
Yeah, we're gonna go up there. So we can see the view.
Oh, somebody drew on it, and it's a melting heart.
Go na.
See, nice.
Careful.
Rattlesnake.
Watch out, be
Slowly.
Slowly lang. Watch yourself.
Hi, man, Vanessa. Who's Vanessa?
Ah,
Who's Vanessa?
Claire Santomi. Wait, maybe we should write our names.
Oh.
What?
Because the people that climbed up here wrote their names.
Yeah.
I'm so scared.
Hmm?
I have fear of heights. Why are you making me climb this?
Oh, I think this is the first deck.
Ayun pa ganun sa baba.
There you go.
Ayun pa.
Huh?
The exploration here also.
The first people arrived in this region about 10,000 years ago at the end of the Ice Age, really by hunting and gathering Duck Mountain resources like their descendants.
Yeah. Ay po diri sa kabila. Let's go.
Just let me look.
We still have 3 more.
Come on. Let's go. Let's add more fear to me.
Let's add more fear.
Ah, tara.
Let's add more fear.
You can do it.
God, please help me.
Nah. You just be careful. Oh, watch out! Watch out with this. Watch your steps. I don't know. I think 5 or 6. Oh, na ni, last na ni. Finally.
I'm not gonna look at the ground ever again.
Yeah, don't look at the ground. It's too high. Ay, na nasa baba. Ay, na baba. You can do it.
Don't step on that. It moved.
Where?
That moved when I stepped on it.
Which one?
That wood. No, stop.
Yeah. We're just gonna stay here lang tayo na.
Ang scary.
Akit dali. Don't look down. Now you,
We're gonna take a picture.
Hero, you can say Hero. Boy, did you step on this? Oh, this one. Oh,
Stop stepping on it.
yeah, this one. Oh.
No,
It's moving. Oh, it's dangerous.
scaring me.
Huh?
Scaring me.
Yeah, just be careful. Ah, look at the view.
Let's hit the road together, just you and me forever. No need to know where we're going. Hearts are open, winds are blowing side by side through any weather. Let's hit the road together, just you and me forever. No need to know where we're going. Hearts are open, winds are blowing side by side through any weather. Let's hit the road together. Let's hit the road together.
So how was it?
Amazing.
Huh? Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you like the view?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at the view.
See that?
So nice.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Oh, yeah, we're at the highest elevation in Manitoba.
Good job.
The highest.
Diba?
The highest.
Face your fears,
Yeah,
guys.
you're brave, B-boy.
Yeah.
What do you mean? What do you mean the highest?
Oh, pinaka-highest man eh, di ba?
How about you, ate? How's the experience?
Good.
Huh?
A little bit nervous. Nay nagsaka?
Yeah, come on, let's go down na. Kaya nag-uyog-uyog na.
Yeah.
So, let's go down na mga boss kay na yung mga bagong nangabot. Kaya na, saka rin sila. Oh. Nag-uyog-uyog ng tower. Let's go!
Ay, paano tama ka? Ikaw put two hands.
Hello there! Hawa. Itlas ko yung mga bataan na ako. Hindi ko madlock ba?
Dagat lang nila pa.
Dali lagi sila nakaabot. Hello! Oh! Hello there! How are you? You didn't feel cold? Holy! What's your step? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah? How about you? Manager, how are you? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yeah? No fear challenge ba to? There you go. Taas kayo siya, no? Actually, dili kay kung dili ka sa baba, okay naman siya. Dili kay siya taas pero pag naka dito.
No, kasi dahil kusog ang hangin, nag-ano siya, nag-uyog siya. So,
Tsaka medyo luma na po siya, no?
di ba?
Nanay mga kahoy nga luag.
Kaya nga, pag abot ni Bibo. Saka ba yan ako kung kay parang, ay, nakuha na ko ang,
Sakay mo kabuhi.
parang na-blurred ako. Oh my God. Kasi di ba?
Naluspad mo ka.
Pinakatalawan ako biya to, pero
Naluspad mo ka good.
ako sa day lang, bago kong tigulang. Day lang. Diba? Paakit pa nga lang, diba?
Pero paspas na kayo sa nakasaka dito. Agi dagan na dito.
Ha? Picture ka? Nice pretty direct ka nang diba mga old.
Go off the roof.
Oh, you might gonna fall. Oh, look at boy.
Yes.
Come here. Oh, you can't go up because this one is
I
broken.
already know.
Yeah.
That's why I said ha.
Uh-huh.
And also, it's movable too. I only go on things that are matching the house, like connecting.
I think you can go up until here. Come on. You wanna try?
No.
Come on, I'll hold it. I'll hold it for you. Just hold
I'm already scared.
hold it with your two hands. Go. You can do it. You're a brave kid.
Hey, Dad,
Look at
you
you.
said you're holding on.
Oh, sorry. Look at you.
Ah,
Yeah? Good
so
job.
scared.
It's okay. You need to face your
I
fears.
wish I have a different fear. I actually want to go with my sister. now.
Go inside.
Yeah. It's boring. And scary.
It's a quarters.
Yeah, it's just rows.
Do you think nasa ano? Nasa ka ng na-basement ni?
I don't know.
I think this is a safe area like Val, it was World War II or World War One. People used to go here to not to hide
Pero
from
mura siya
the
ganong ito. Ngit.
people.
Ngit ayo tamaki na dali. Kana ba mura siya kaning gud nga tabla
What's tabla?
ay nga plywood. Mura siya kanang taklog gud sa hagdanan.
Dito. Oh, kasi na ay anak.
Oh, naay gunitanan, di ba?
Question.
Kasi look, it looks like there's a stairs to the basement. See?
We'll just try it.
Huh?
Just a little ano lang.
Sige.
Kang ahalang gamay.
Nay anak hunda
You
din.
guys, I actually think this is a
What?
I think they put some nails oh.
Maybe before.
Yung di ba?
Yeah.
Mura siya gagdan. Kasi pag
Oh, there's people
pagsulod
entering.
nila pababa mo. Yeah.
I think this is I actually think this is a hideout place.
Yeah.
From the World War.
It's a quarters.
Oh, cool.
There's a fire.
Let's go.
I really knew it because I see like gunshots on the door.
I see gunshots in the door.
Isu kining bata no pinagbukas na ba? Tugnaw ya kayo.
They gave me more fear.
Bago lang po sila pa. Na kay
Murag
ano pa lang.
dayo sila diri.
Nagbasa-basa pa lang
Go
po
like
sila na.
over there. I think we should go there. Oh, we're done na.
No, we're done reading already.
How's that explore? Sa baba, ayang ginamim. Kaya di ba dito ang trail?
Oh, that's a trail if you wanna go down there.
So,
Huh?
kabalo na ka nga. Yung ani ang Baldy Mountain.
Yes,
You
Baldi.
expert. At least you experienced it.
Yeah.
It's scary.
Where do you get scared? With the heights or from the wood?
Heights.
Heights?
Heights.
How about the moving and broken wood?
Oo.
Yes. it also comes with height
Yeah.
because moving wood might break down, and then when you look on them, you will see height.
Oh, that's why.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. You enjoy it?
Yes.
Experience? Yeah?
Yes. Opposite of yes.
But that's cool, right?
No. It's
You had a
yes.
chance to go up there and see the view? That's awesome. That's where the firefighters, they use that tower so they can see if there's a wildfire over there, and then they can just put off the fire.
So what is that? What is that house for?
That's where they sleep.
Oh.
And then they just take turns going up there to see what happened.
I think there were people invading the house. I think that's why there were gunshots on the door.
So, boy, how's your experience? Huh?
Scary.
Scary a little?
So, mao to mga boss. Nakatungas nyo ta diri sa ilahang viewing tower. Wala na kami nagdugay ganiha dito kay ngay nangabot nga mga insurrectos. Paspas kay nakasaka nagdinaganay. Kulbaan mi kay ga uyug-uyug ang tower. Kamo siya mga salog nga daan na siya. Nataya na ang lansang, murag action na siya kang akong imong tamakan, mug lihok-lihok na siya. Medyo kulba siya gamay kay kusog ang hangin pero at least naka abot yun mi diri. Kay katong last year nga nagcamping mi diri sa Blue Lakes, wala na mi ka abot diri kay busy kay tato no.
Yeah.
Murag dali na kayo ang tulo ka gabi ato. Ito yun sa Ginoo ba nga bugnaw ang lake ganina kay para dili mi makaligo. Kay kung langoy-langoy mi dito, malamang gipangkapoy na mi karon na di na pud mi kaabot diri.
Yeah.
Di ba? At least nakatungha mi diri. Nindot po siya dito sa babaw kay gwapo ang view. Kaso mao lang lagi ito. Hangin unya medyo uyog-uyog siya kay murag kulang na pud siya sa update ba dapat ilahan yung kuan. Ilahan ta ning gi-renovate ni kay para dili dayon siya mga dili siya madaot dagan pag makaadto diri.
Dapat ilang gi-renovate, di ba?
Yeah.
Kay lookout man siya, di ba? Sunod-sunod
Uba siya, no?
ang
Kay-
fire karon.
Ang uban nyo dito katong gitamakan ni Biboy.
Yeah.
Parehas mo to sa natamakan ni ate nga murag
Ing ato mga
murag
naputaan siya.
kanang wala na nagunit ang lansang ba na uyog na. Kung imo to ang alasahon ma tanggal na to ba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Balik sa ta dito sa campsite kay para makahikay na punta sa atong panihapon.
Let's go!
Here we go! Wee! Boy! B-boy!
Ah, yes?
Do you remember the wee?
Yeah.
Now we're going
Remember
down.
the Weezer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're going down now. Oh, what's that? So, dito na tayo mga boss. Nakabalik na dito sa campground. Okay, medyo action nagkabalaka ato ang bitok.
Judge na.
Sa ba itong lutuan ka dito? Sa ito lutuan na ito.
Maybe
Ano na itong isda tingali?
isda, tapos barbecue?
O pipino.
Barbecue type. Yeah. That's yum.
Update lang tamo niya boss pag na hikay na itong panihapon. Okay. Kinahanglan na itong paspasan eh. Action nagsalo pang adlaw.
Yeah.
Kita ninyo, no?
Yeah.
Hayag pa sa principal ni B-boy. Fishing.
Fishing gabon sila.
Ato siya tagma dira. Ha?
Sige, pag maayo ang panahon.
Ugma pohon boss. Ilaag ta mo dira. Nindot po dilahang view dira kay naay deck ba. Pwede ito ta maka fishing pero limo lang kay wala na to dala tong pasol. Sunod na lang siguro pohon ug maka balik ta diri. Dala tag fishing ra daan. There you go. Ay tanaw na natungit kung naabay nang aligo pa.
Here na.
Di mo ra tugnaw naman yung kain. Diri na sa'yo. Wala na. Peaceful na ang Marawi.
Yeah, tugnaw, uwi.
Ha?
Tugnaw.
Wala na nun hag. Awas na sila. Oh.
Yeah. Dili makaya.
Makaya,
uy.
no?
Tugnaw.
Kuan po gadra. Ano sa itong tawagan ni sa ano? Ay, ano sa tawag sa ano be? Kanang mamatay ka sa lamig be? Yeah, hypothermia.
Dula-dula na lang gani ang mga bata o.
Hmm.
Kay kung init pa na, tingala man kung nagdula-dula na, nagtampisaw na sila oy.
Open pa silang ito. Sa oras day? Oh. Yeah, murag na yun pamanatan na sila manira.
It's
8.
open.
Pag weekend 9 to 9.
Ay,
Natay ko nila.
nice.
Be paliton.
Wala na.
Test na pala diri.
Makapalit naman
Ha?
ta.
Tara, let's go. Here. Bay 1 Site 3. There you go. Oo daw kung kumplito ba ato ang mga para panalilas na ba sige hurot na nagkit-kit sa chipmunk.
Oh, gani.
Ha?
Kagay nagikaon ba niyang tinapay?
Nag-iubo doon niya ang ano ba? Iubo doon niya ang taka na paper towel. Ay wala to niya gipaakngit. Paper towel. Malamang ihatong di ba nagkaon sa tinapay? Ihatong gipahin. Aling sa tani atong baga mga boss para takaw na natin yung barbecue ng taod-taod. Yung magdugay-dugay pa rin mo. Ay, baga naman dayo. Baga na ni, okay na ni taod-taod. Ang tao, makatuhog tayo dila. Taka na to. Nagabinaan na dyan ta mga boss. Naglami man ang ato ang wara-wara ganina dito sa buntod. Kita na dyan ta ni atong barbecue. Pero bites lang Japon ni kay panggusla na akong mga sako. Panalo kayo. Sirahon na to ni karong taod-taod. Hapit na maimpas mga boss. Oh, naanagay ni bidri nanamidri na ni hapon doon sa subahan kay kami maguding barbecue kung
Init pa.
oh, init pa. Kami siya tirahon kung init-init pa. Para sulbad kayo ang lasa ba.
Yeah.
Diba ate?
Yeah.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Scout lang sa takaron kayo.
So good.
Bawi lang tawag mapuhon. Sayo-sayo ta magluto siguro. No?
Lagan man tayo niya. So at least ulit.
Yeah. Enjoy lang Japon. Maski nagabinaan na.
Mas nakalaag.
No?
Yeah. Nindot man pa datong gilaagan.
Sirahan po na itong isda. Or solve na ka.
Sulod na tayo niya?
Ay pwede ugma sa buntag na ito sa bahon. So amo na ning iwason mga boss nya iskanso na pud karong taud-taud. Boy, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.